Hey there, cycling enthusiasts from all corners of the world. Isn't it absolutely thrilling when the Tour de France comes around each year? However, if you happen to be outside Australia, you might encounter difficulties in catching the action. Today, I have just the solution for you. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll have the know-how to watch the Tour de France, no matter where you're located. The key lies in a nifty tool called a VPN, specifically one called Private Internet Access. It's like your golden ticket to access SBS, an outstanding Australian streaming service that broadcasts the Tour de France. Now you may be pondering, but I don't want to purchase a VPN. That's where the genius part comes into play. Private Internet Access VPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it one of my top and most cost-effective recommendations. Since the Tour de France is shorter than a month, you can utilize Private Internet Access VPN for the duration of the race. Private Internet Access VPN is among the best in the industry, boasting an extensive server network, robust security features, and fast, reliable connections. It has servers located in Australia, which are essential for unlocking SBS Tour de France coverage. Now let's delve into what SBS is all about. It's a top-tier Australian streaming service that offers coverage of the Tour de France. The only catch is that it's restricted to Australia, but fear not, with our trusty companion, Private Internet Access VPN, we can effortlessly bypass that restriction. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Head over to the Private Internet Access VPN website using the discount link provided in the video description. This will take you directly to the sign-up page. Choose a subscription plan that suits your needs and fill in the necessary details to create your account. Remember, Private Internet Access offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 2. Once your account is all set up, navigate to the download section on the Private Internet Access website. Select the version that corresponds to your device, Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android, then proceed with the download. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the instructions to install the VPN on your device. Step 3. Launch the VPN app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll come across a list featuring different countries representing various server locations. Click on Australia, and the app will connect you to an Australian server. This may take a few seconds, but once connected, your IP address will appear as though you're browsing from Australia. Step 4. Open your web browser and enter the URL for the SBS website. If you already have an account, simply log in. Otherwise, you'll need to create one. To do so, click on the Sign Up button and provide the necessary details. Once you're signed up, log into your SBS account. You're all set to relish the Tour de France live and in high definition. Don't wait, get your VPN set up today and be ready for the first day of the race. Remember, by using the link in the description, you'll receive a special discount code for Private Internet Access VPN. In upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into the world of cybersecurity, online privacy, and ways to make the most of your internet experience. If these topics pique your interest or if you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. Joining our community means gaining access to exclusive content, valuable tips and tricks, and staying ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital realm. So come aboard and embark on this exhilarating journey with us. Until next time, happy cycling.